Hey, this is Dan, the project coordinator for the Missouri Local Science Engagement Network. I'm going to walk you through signing up through our new platform partner, Quorum. You can head to MissouriLSEN.quorum.us to follow along. Make sure you put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and your physical address. Make sure you tell us which of our science priorities you are interested in. I'm interested in all 4, so I clicked all 4, and then click Join Us. From there, we have some simple engagement strategies like writing your local representatives and telling them who you are. You can also offer them your help. Don't forget to write something in the space provided. Now click Send to send a message to all of your state and local lawmakers. Missouri LSEN members are active in engaging in policy discussions. Here's one on proposed air quality standards here in Missouri. You can click the link and submit your public comment to the Missouri DNR straight from our website. Back at the homepage, check out some upcoming events related to our science priorities. You can attend any of these events and learn about the problems and opportunities facing the Show Me State. Check our homepage again to learn more about our science priorities. Click on any one of them to learn more. Here's one about climate change in Missouri. Here's another about health and food disparities in our state. Thanks for following along, and thanks for helping to bring science capacity and expertise to Missouri.